Okay, so now we're going to talk about how the quote loader, we're going to create a quote loader and how it works and how it demonstrates the at actor and task groups in Swift. So the quote loader app was designed or will be designed as a hands-on beginner-friendly way to understand two of the most powerful tools in Swift's modern concurrency system, at actor and task group. Let's break down how each is used and why it matters. Using at actor for safe shared state. In this app, we defined a quote service as an actor. This allows us to manage an internal array of quotes in a thread safe way without using locks or worrying about data races. Why is this important? When you're working with asynchronous code, multiple parts of your app can try to read from or write to shared data at the same time. That can lead to unpredictable bugs and crashes. By wrapping your quote data inside an actor, we ensure that only one task at a time can access it or modify it. Now, this is real world use of structured concurrency, safe by design and easy to reason about. Now, using a task group for parallelism. Inside our view model, we're going to demonstrate task group in load quotes function, okay? Once we fetch an initial set of quotes from the quote service, we spin off multiple concurrent tasks, each responsible for handling a quote with a short array. This shows how task group lets us run multiple asynchronous tasks in parallel. Wait for them to complete and collect the result. It's clean, efficient, and scalable. In addition, we call back our actor, we call back into our actor, quote service, from within the task group to simulate how tasks can safely interact with shared resources, as long as they do so through the await and actor isolation. Okay, we're putting it all together by combining an actor and task group. The quote loader app simulates a real world scenario, fetching, processing, mutating data across concurrent tasks while keeping everything safe and predictable. This app doesn't just explain how Swift concurrency works, it shows you line by line how to use these tools to write better SwiftUI apps. If you're new to structured concurrency, this project is your on ramp to building modern, reliable, high performance iOS applications. Okay,